Go ahead. Okay.
Yeah, minus 6y.
Okay.
Plus 8z.
Okay. How do we feel about that? All right.
The 8 squared should be negative.
Yeah. Now remember, all the signs are wrong, okay? Because you multiplied everything by 2. What we should have multiplied everything by was minus 2, right? So what should have happened was negative 8. That changes to plus 6. This is negative 8. And that's plus 22. Right? So the negative 2 hits everything. Are you ready for one that's a little bit trickier? Now be brave. You guys can do this, okay? If you're not feeling good, that's okay. But I want you guys to give this one a try. Here is a trick. X times x plus 3. This right here you'll see a million times in high school. A question like this.
X plus X.
Not quite x plus x. Hold on a sec. Now think how we do this. Now think how we do this. Wait, I'm gonna go to the cashier, but we'll talk this through this here. What do you get for an answer?
2x plus 3x.
Not quite. Not no careful. Now how are we doing? Let's just talk through all this. I'll help you. You got it? Go ahead. Oh, it is x squared plus 3x. Okay, now let's go through here how we got that, Tanner. It's correct, okay? Now let's make sure how we do this. Remember, all we're doing here, guys, folks, is we're multiplying one at a time. So x times x is going to be x squared, right? X times x is x squared. And then x times 3 is 3x. Okay? We're good? You're good all along. That's good. That's good. It shouldn't be shocked. It's like, yes, I got it. That's a good thing. I haven't told you guys lately. You guys are all highly intelligent human beings. I haven't told you that lately. You guys are smart. That's why you're in this class, right? It's okay to be smart. It's good. Okay? Letter F. Here's a real brain buster.
Is that an X or?
That is 3x. The timeses are gone. 3x times 3x minus 2. Leah, give it an attempt. You can do this. I'm going to hit pause. I'm going to give everyone 60 seconds.
9x squared plus 6 or minus 6.
Okay, Josh said 9x squared. Okay, guys, can I talk? Please, guys, back. Matt, stop talking. 9x squared, he said minus 6. I say he is almost there. X at the end, okay? You just watch Josh. So you did exactly. Can I please, guys, can I please go? What Josh said correctly was 3x times 3x. So 3 times 3 is 9. X times x is x squared. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, but the x has to be carried through as well. Okay? Yeah?
Is it squared because there's 2 x's?
Yeah, x times x is x squared.
Mr. Sadler,
Yes.
I thought that if it's 3x times 3x, it would end up to be 3x squared.
No, it would be 3 squared x squared, right, which is 9. 3 squared x squared. All right, here's another brain buster. Let's see how mean I can be. Let's do some negatives. Okay, negative 2x times x squared negative 3x negative 2. Oh, good golly. Good golly. If you can handle this question, you are a master of algebra. In all honesty, okay, you are doing very well with today. You should be proud of yourselves to handle this. Because this is relatively difficult, okay? So Hill, I'll let you give a good attempt at this one. It looks more complicated. Just do one part at a time. Okay? I haven't clicked on today, man. You haven't clicked on you yet. Yep. Yes. It's not like times in, they're like subtract, like x squared is one term, negative 3x is the second term, negative 2 is 3x. If that helps at all.
So I need negative 2x and negative 2x times negative 3x.
Yes. Yeah, so what Taylor was saying there, I don't know if you heard, he said, do I do negative 2x times negative 3x? Yes, you do. Right, that's what your times look like. Okay, Meg, I'm going to pick on you in about 20 seconds here. Are you feeling confident?
Feeling confident.
I know you are, but I didn't ask you. Okay, Meg, you ready? Okay, I'm going to hit record here. Oh, I already was recording. Whoops, all those things I said, the internet heard. Okay, Maggie, what do we do? Go ahead.
Negative 2x times 4.
Negative 2x, 6 1.
I got 4.
Okay. Keep going.
6x squared.
Yeah.
4x.
Okay. I am almost happy with that one. Sasha?
It has to be a 3 instead of a 4.
Yes. Now the reason it's going to be a 3, think we're multiplying powers here, right? X to the 1 times x squared is going to be x cubed. Right? There's only one extra x on each of these. So there was 2 x's here. If you put another x on, that's going to be 3 x's. Okay, right? So there's an extra, everything is multiplied by negative 2. As well, each term has an extra x on it. Right, that's what's happening. Yep, Joel?
I still don't understand how you got the negative 2x.
Yeah. Okay, so what I just did here, when I do these questions, I do the number separate and the variable separate. Okay. So negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Okay. Negative 2 times negative 3 is plus 6. Negative 2 times negative 2 is plus 4. Then when you multiply by x, all it means that there's an extra x with each term inside the brackets. So x squared, if you put another x with it, that's now x cubed. X, when you put another x with it, now it's x squared. Nothing when you put an x with it, now there's an x. Right, so when I do these, I do the numbers and the letters separately. Okay, ready? Let's go for letter H here right now. I'll put a star and a heart beside this question. Okay. Okay, I love this question. This question is tremendous. Who have I not picked on yet today? Anna, I've not picked on you yet today. Okay, this looks frightening, and when you get to grade 9, there will be questions that look scary. Do you guys hear that? Is it a buzzing, or is it just me? Oh, goodness, I'm losing it here right now. All right, Hannah. What I want you to do, this is scary because there's 2 of them. I'm going to make sure that you forget the right-hand side. Can you please do the left-hand term for me, please? The left-hand brackets. Go ahead.
Is it 8x plus 12?
Yes. Okay. So the left-hand side is going to be 8x minus 12.
Why isn't there an exercise 12?
One good question. Why isn't there an exercise 12? Yeah, go ahead. Right, there's no x with the 4, right? You're saying 4 times 2x is 8x, then 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Okay, I haven't picked on you yet today either, I don't think. Well, I'm picking on you again. Can you do the right-hand side for me, please?
Okay, 5x negative 6. No, sorry. 5x negative 5.
Thank you, right? Because 5 times 1 is 5. That's all right. All right. Is there a question?
Is there an exercise 5 because it's in the bracket?
Yes, so it's like 5 times x is 5x. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. All right, Chris, I'm picking on you at the back. How do I solve this one from here? What do I do? How do I continue this? Yeah, right on. Collect the like terms. Okay, so I put the x's in blue. 8x plus 5x together. And then I'll put the negatives together. And I'm going to call that hopefully 13x minus 13. Now this is just plain old good algebra, okay? You're gonna need this lots in the next 4 years of your lives. Joel, question?
I lost you at plus 5x minus 5. How
Okay.
did you do that?
Okay, so all I did here was 5 times x. So remember there's an invisible 1 here, right? So 5 times 1 is 5.
Why did you times it by 5?
Well, because that's what's in front of the brackets, right? You know what I mean? Like it's like,
Oh,
you see what I'm saying? So it's just a separate bracket then. That's all we did.
for like the negative 12 and the negative 5, why is it negative 17?
Well, because negative 12 minus 5 is negative 17.
Oh, yes, sorry.
It's okay, if you need your calculator.
Sorry, I thought it was like negative 5. So.
Yeah, it's just subtract them. It's the same thing. All right, let's try letter I here right now. I'm going to pause in the video. There is a trick to this one too. Okay. Oh, Mr. Sadler, you diabolical. I'm just joking. I'm not diabolical. I'm relatively friendly. Okay.